Hello investors, another money market fund is here. Now, we're going to look at the Ziidi Money Marketing Fund. This money marketing fund actually was opened by our very own Safaricom here in Kenya. Therefore, we're going to look at the following. Take your pens, note this down. 1. The fund managers. 2. Their accessibility. The safety, that's number 3. The 4. The interest rates. The transaction fees, the maintenance fee, and also the deposits and the withdrawals. Let's get going. Let's look at the fund managers. Remember, every money marketing fund has a fund manager, and every fund manager that is under a regulator or an authority in Kenya called the CMA, the Capital Markets Authority. And remember, these money marketing funds they must always work under set rules and set conditions, terms that they are limited to work within in terms of investments. And these fund managers that are under these Ziidi money market fund that you should know as an investor, these are the SLB, which is the Standard Limited Bank. 2, the Allah Capital, and 3 is the Sanlam. Now, remember, Ziidi as a money marketing fund also has a custodian, and every money marketing fund in the other video that I've said always has a custodian and a trustee, a link between the investor and the fund managers. And that's why this Ziidi money market fund, the link in between is the Safaricom. Now, let's get to the interest rates or the returns. Now, with Ziidi money marketing fund, as a money marketing fund that is, it has a interest rate of 11.5 to 13.5%. Therefore, what you know that any interest rate, either it raises or it lowers down, either it is positive or negative, every interest rate that is in these money marketing funds, especially in this Ziidi, only works with the regard of how the markets behave. And remember, a market can behave or fluctuate in terms of investing, because these money marketing funds they do the investment areas like the commercial papers, the fixed deposits, and the treasury bills and bonds. Okay, that's why you find the interest rates tend to change with time. Okay, now when you see these interest rates changing, whether it's positive or negative, don't get too emotional. Just deposit your money and let the money marketing fund do the magic, because these interest rates are per annum, or let's say annually. Let's get going. Now, let's look at the accessibility of this Ziidi Money Marketing Fund. Now, in order to access this Ziidi Money Marketing Fund, you can access it via the M-Pesa app. If you don't have the M-Pesa app, you can actually go to the Play Store, you download the M-Pesa app. And if you don't have the Wi-Fi and the internet to do so, actually, you can also, there's a SIM administrator module where you can dial. If you don't have the Wi-Fi and the internet, you can dial *334#. Okay, thereby you will access this Ziidi money marketing fund if you don't have the internet with you, or if you cannot access the internet. Now, with the safetyness of this Ziidi, I will say that is safe in terms of risk, because it is under a regulation of the CMA, and which I've said is the Capital Markets Authority. Therefore, Ziidi is safe in terms of investment. Don't get any emotional attachments of your money, having thoughts or second thoughts that your money will get lost. Your money is safe because every fund manager is under a regulator under the CMA. Keep on repeating that, because that should stick in to every investor investing in money marketing fund. Now, let us go to the transaction fee or the maintenance fee. Now, this is what you need to know, that every money marketing fund has a maintenance fee. Okay, but is a positive narrative here, because the Ziidi Money Market Fund has a zero maintenance fee, and transaction charges here are zero. Therefore, it is free. Therefore, here shows that it's a good one. Okay, and go for it. If you're into money market fund and you're into others that you have invested in, like the Chica, the Sanlam, the Nabo, the ICA, okay, the Britam, Zilele, and Seaton, and others, Amali, and I'm sure you can do investment in Ziidi. It's a good option in terms of investment. And now let's go to another point, actually, because of time. Now, Ziidi Man Marketing Fund also is a very good area in terms of deposit and withdrawal, because their minimum wage or minimum amount of withdrawal or transaction in terms of deposits, actually, let's start with the deposits. The minimum amount of deposits that you can start or chip in your account and start investing is actually 100 Kenyan shillings. Therefore, that means it is less a dollar. Okay, in the USSD it is less a dollar. Okay, in terms of investment in dollar, it is less a dollar in the USSD. Now, the transaction limits, or in the transaction in terms of transactions, withdrawals. Okay, in terms of withdrawals, withdrawals is done anytime. You can withdraw your money anytime that you want. Okay, there's no limit of withdrawals, there's no time frame, or let's say debt, or let's say threshold of time and debt. You can actually withdraw your money, let's say 250,000. If you have invested and you have that money in your Ziidi Man Marketing Fund, that it, you can withdraw it, and there's no limits in terms of investments. And also in terms of withdrawal, if you want to, you have the least amount of money that you can withdraw is 10 shillings, 10 Kenyan shillings. Okay. As we continue this video, actually, if you're a new subscriber in my video, and you're a new viewer in my video, actually, you're new to the channel, why don't you just give it a like, go to the comment section down there, give it a comment, and also give it a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, and it really means a lot to me as a content creator, and also as I do more research. Wow, if you reached the end of this video, it means this video of great value to you. You're such an amazing person. Please hit the smash button, subscribe. Have a nice new 2025, and always don't forget to invest. Till next time, bye bye.